Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to change the DNS settings in the Opera browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Changing the DNS can help improve your browsing speed, enhance privacy, and sometimes fix problems when certain websites do not load properly. Opera allows you to use Secure DNS, which encrypts DNS requests and uses a trusted DNS provider. In this video, I will show you how to enable and change the DNS provider in Opera in just a few simple steps. So first open Opera browser and then click on the menu icon in the top left corner. In the drop down menu, select settings. Under Opera settings, scroll down and select system in the left sidebar. On the right you will find this one option under system, use DNS over HTTPS instead of the system's DNS setting. Turn this one toggle on. After that you can choose one of the best DNS provider. By default you have Cloudflare and Google DNS. You can also enter a custom DNS here. After choosing the DNS provider, these changes are applied automatically. You don't need to restart the browser. That's it. You have successfully changed the DNS settings in the Opera browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.